So when you're asked to name something, if the compound starts with a metal, it's going to be an ionic compound, always. How do you know if it starts with a metal?
Periodic table.
Periodic table. Where on the periodic table?
To the left of the stair step.
To the left of the stair step. Awesome. For the cation, it's going to be a metal. You simply write the name off the periodic table. There's something below that in the flow chart that you can see that if it's something else, then you have to do another thing. What is that? So if it's a transition metal, you have to have a Roman numeral in the name. Remember, we're talking about naming. Please don't throw your phones at me. So when we're trying to name these compounds, if the metal is a transition metal, you have to have a Roman numeral. What is the Roman numeral? Good. It is the oxidation number of the... Which element? The transition metal. Good. How do you know if the anion is monatomic?
It ends in ID.
Well, if you look at the compound, if you look at the formula, if there's only one atom there, it's on the periodic table. So you look at the periodic table, if the name's oxygen, the root word is OX in that case, add "ide." That's why we have oxide. If it is fluorine, the ion is going to be called fluoride. If the ion is iodine, iodide. Okay, so you would have things like phosphorus would be phosphide. And I just said oxide. Okay, so these are all anions. You do not add "ide" to the cation, which is written first. Again, the anions, if it's monatomic, root word, add "ide." If it's polyatomic, it's going to end in "ite" or "ate, with the occasional exception of "ide," like hydroxide, peroxide, and all those. Okay?